Let's talk about the Kusama Parachain projects. We already know about a lot of the projects that will try to bond as a parachain on Polkadot and which will start as a parathread until the crowd sale begins, also known as the parachain auctions. But let's talk about the ones on Kusama. The ones I'm going to talk about in this video will have a counterpart on Polkadot and will launch their Canary Network or test network on Kusama to be able to experiment any changes that they'll plan to apply to their Polkadot counterpart. Now, a lot of these projects will grow independently, but ultimately their main purpose is to serve as a testing ground for their core products. Just a reminder, before you ask me where you can buy the tokens associated to these projects, you cannot do so yet, and you need to wait for the Kusama Parachain auctions to launch, and then you'll be able to bid for them using your KSM. The maximum lockup duration for the Kusama Parachain auctions is 1 year, as announced by Dan Reeser, VP of Growth at Akala and Karura on Twitter. So let's start with the first one, which is the most hyped one on Kusama, and that's Kura Network. Now, the Canary Network of Akala Network. Their DeFi dApp is going to follow a clone model of the Akala Mandala one, except it's going to support the Kusama ecosystem instead. So you'll be able to take loans, do token swaps, and even supply liquidity to the pools just like you can with Akala Mandala, except it will be done on Karura. In exchange, you'll be rewarded with those LP tokens called KOR when you do supply liquidity to those pools. Next up, we've got Kala Network, which is the Canary Network of Fala Network. And just like Fala, its main purpose is to serve data privacy on the Kusama ecosystem. Moonriver is the Canary Network of Moonbeam, and their main purpose is to make smart contracts from Ethereum portable to Kusama so that those Ethereum smart contract devs can get started on Kusama and take advantage of the awesome scalable ecosystem it has to offer. Let's not forget that Moonriver and Moonbeam both received funding from Binance themselves, so we're very likely to see the River token get listed on Binance in the near future. Sakura is the Canary Network of Clover DeFi, and although there was some recent FUD with Clover for losing their Web3 Foundation grant, they have enough funding as it stands and will be the DeFi powerhouse and also an operating system on Kusama. Next up, there's SherpaX, the Canary Network of Chainx, and they'll be offering that bridging solution between Bitcoin and Kusama of the XBTC token, which will be used on the famous DeFi platform. Karura as collateral for loans and also to likely generate KSX for holding it in your wallet, just like their counterpart Chainx, but that's not confirmed yet. Now, Shiden Network. This is the Canary Network of Plasm, and I really like that name. It kind of reminds me of those movies with the ancient Japanese warriors. Now, they'll be supporting the Kusama ecosystem with a scaling dApps platform, just like Plasm are doing with Polkadot. Now, last but not least, there's Crab Network, which is the Canary Network of Darwinia Network. Crab is the cross-chain NFT bridging solution between Ethereum, Tron, and other blockchains to the Kusama ecosystem. They've recently deployed their Darwinia's virtual machine to support Ethereum smart contracts on Crab Network. Now, there are likely more Canary Network solutions which I've probably missed in this video, but these are the top ones that everyone will have their eyes on, and so will the exchanges, if you know what I mean. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.